Why is La Roche-Posay recommended by over 90,000 dermatologists worldwide? Because we bring you effective skincare that makes a difference. Like La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer, with dermatologist-recommended ingredients including ceramide and niacinamide. Double action helps repair skin's protective barrier after 1 hour and provide 48-hour hydration. So no matter your skin type, even sensitive, you can have healthy-looking skin with La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer.
What to pair with niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. It reduces excess oil, visible shine, and pore visibility. Pair with hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 for hydration and to support your skin's barrier. For congestion, pair it with balancing and clarifying serum. To target post-acne marks and redness, pair with aloe 2% plus NAG 2% solution. We hope you love it!
Discover Olay Regenerist Vitamin C plus Peptide 24 Max Face Moisturizer. This gel cream has a silky texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. Formulated with vitamin C, peptides, and niacinamide to support skin renewal. Apply evenly over cleansed face and neck, morning and night, for best results. Experience instant hydration and see visibly brighter skin in just 1 month. Olay Regenerist, your path to radiant, hydrated skin. Introducing the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil, a potent blend of brightening and nourishing ingredients for a radiant, glowing complexion. Infused with pure vitamin C and calming turmeric, this fast-absorbing face oil delivers a boost of antioxidants and hydration to revitalize the skin. Massage a few drops onto clean skin, morning and/or evening, for a luminous, healthy-looking glow. The lightweight formula leaves no greasy residue, making it perfect for all skin types. Experience brighter, more youthful-looking skin with continued use. Discover CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. A gentle, effective cleanser for all skin types. Formulated with essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Apply to damp skin, gently massage, and rinse thoroughly. Non-foaming formula that cleanses without stripping moisture. CeraVe, developed with dermatologists for healthy-looking skin.